So it should be timing. So we'll get to Easter eggs now. So I've tempered the chocolate. You don't heat the chocolate to over 32 degrees. This is a little bit thick, but I don't want to heat it up too much, right? So there's two ways to doing this. You can just tip it in a factory. This is how they would do it. They would tip it in, then it would just turn it upside down, right? So you dip it in, and it just turns it upside down. This is a little bit thick, so I need to scrape some out. Maybe I could make it a little bit warmer, but I don't want to get over 32, otherwise it's not tempered. So that's one way to do it, or the other way is with a pastry brush, and you can give it 2 applications. So you can just brush it, let it dry, and I'm sure, who did I ask to throw it away? Did you throw it away like I asked somebody? Did you do that for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm going to check that, and you're going to get a point if you put it in the bin. Because this one I'm going to throw away as well, because it's got a rip in it. The only trouble is these break quite easily, right? So, and this is called, this chocolate is here, and it's 32 degrees. It has to be no more than 32 degrees, 32.5 degrees. If you do over 32.5 degrees by mistake, what you can do is you put some of the little chocolate chips in, and then it will make it helps it to crystallise again. If not, when it's set, it's a little bit limp. Right, so we do 2 of these. Now once they're cold, we just turn it out. So once this is cold, I'm going to turn these out, and I can give it more than 1 application, right? That's it. Now if I want to do some small ones, you can do some little mini solid ones here. Now obviously they're very small. You can either put it in a piping bag to get it in there. That might be a good idea actually. Or only with a teaspoon, and then fill it up, and then run a knife over the top. And then you just stick 2 of these together and it does 1 little egg, yeah? Once these are set, you can pipe on it with different colours as well, and you can put different flavours in these ones. So I could put like some fresh nuts in here, or little cherries, or some other stuff in here for flavour. So I'm just going to do a couple of these. I'm just going to do 6 of these. And to make them flat, I'm going to get a piping bag. Now they should automatically be reasonably flat because they're settled on themselves. But this is quite thick, so I could just get a palette knife and just spread it like so it's nice and flat on top. And then to stick these together, I'm just going to heat it up a little bit. Normally the Easter eggs, to put these together, I just heat it up on like a hot tin, like a metal tray, just melt it for about 2 seconds, and that's enough to stick them together. Thank you. Hey.